Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on developer option on Android phone. Let's dive right into the solution. Step 1. Open the settings app on your Android phone. Step 2. Tap on about phone. Step 3. Find build number. Step 4. Quickly tap the build number 7 times in a row. Step 5. After few taps, you will see a message like you are now X step away from being a developer. Once fully enabled, you will see you are now a developer. Step 6. Now go back to the settings page. Tap on search bar and type developer. Step 7. Here select developer options in the results menu. Step 8. Enable the toggle for developer option. And that's it. Hopefully this solution helped you to fix the problem. If it worked, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Android tips and fixes. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.